In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the scene card to your Apple Wallet. So first, go ahead and launch the Scotia Bank app, and then on your home page, so under My Accounts, here you'll see credit cards. So your respective credit card that you want to add, go ahead and tap on that. Okay, now, this is what you do, okay? So where you see Scene Plus Rewards, I want you to click on that, okay? Scroll down. For ways to redeem, you want to click on Redeem Rewards. And then here, I want you to click on Card. Okay, click on this. Now, here you'll see your card, right? I want you to tap on Add to Apple Wallet, and you will get this prompt at the top right where you can go ahead and click on Add, right? So go ahead and do that. So it's currently loading, so we'll just wait for this to be done loading. And then you'll basically get this prompt that your Scene Plus card has successfully been added to your Apple Wallet. Then you can just go ahead and tap on finish. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.